The Amlon Group's Port Arthur, Texas-based Golden Triangle facility is equipped to handle the most demanding industrial waste needs, from oil recovery to equipment cleaning, hazardous waste handling, and wastewater treatment. Our facility is capable of processing 1 million gallons of wastewater per month, and we are accustomed to handling the most complicated waste streams. We specialize in processing corrosive waste and benzene-contaminated water with D002 and D0118 permits, respectively. Amlon Golden Triangle's wastewater treatment facility provides streamlined regulatory compliance, simplifying adherence to EPA and TCEQ wastewater regulations. This includes oily water and emulsions from process operations, corrosive streams requiring neutralization, benzene-containing liquids and other hazardous wastewaters, and washout wastewater generated from cleaning vacuum trucks, frac tanks, and other industrial equipment. Amlon's regional processing capability reduces transportation-related emissions, directly contributing to improved environmental, social, and governance performance indicators, and supporting corporate sustainability initiatives. For our customers, wastewater isn't just a byproduct, it's a responsibility. By partnering with Golden Triangle, you gain streamlined service with multiple waste types handled in one location, reduced logistics costs with fewer trips and faster turnaround, peace of mind knowing your wastewater is treated safely and responsibly. Amlon's industrial wastewater solutions transform wastewater management challenges into environmentally responsible operational advantages. Let's talk about how we can support your team. Amlon Golden Triangle, Port Arthur, Texas. Contact us today at amlongroup.com.